And for the final updates of today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the 4-hour time frame, we can see we've had our most recent break of structure here. This is our swing high, and this is still our swing low. This high is relatively strong because it liquidated to the left. This is the supply chain that has been pushing price in towards the downside. What I would have preferred to have seen was a break and a close below here, and then this would have been the most recent area of supply, where if we then broke that, it would have made sense to look for a long position. I do think that this high is a liquidity target, and it will be something that I will be monitoring for that next potential short. However, I am anticipating in the near future that we see some sustained and continued upside, and for that to happen, I'd like to see something like a strong high break with a convincing break and a close above before then retracing and then down towards liquidity before looking for the confirmation. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we've had our 1-hour break of structure down, swing high, swing low. This is a point of liquidity, or these points are the points that I'd be looking at closely for that short position following the 1-hour time frame. However, if we do see this supply zone here break with a convincing close, that could suggest to me that we could be targeting this high. So let's just see how price reacts from the zone that it's trading within. On Bitcoin, we can see on the daily time frame we've had that break of structure, swing low, swing high. We liquidated this high before seeing a nice aggressive strong sell-off in towards the downside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see we haven't had that pullback since we broke structure over here. Swing low and swing high. We didn't quite manage to liquidate this high before looking for that short position. However, we have followed this order flow of supply being in control, and we can anticipate lower prices. I do anticipate a candle close below the daily swing range, so that is my favored positions at the minute, is targeting a break and a close below this level here.